What I wish I knew at Apprentice instead of guessing: trust beats tricks every time. Build trust first, fix it second. Start by listening. Really listen. Ask what they noticed when it happens. Get a few specifics. Repeat it back so they know you heard them. Inspect together when possible. Show the problem. Point to the parts and explain in plain English. No jargon ambush. Give a clear estimate with options. Fast fix, recommended fix, safety critical fix. Say which is urgent and why. Set expectations, time, cost range, what could change. If something unexpected pops up, tell them immediately. Silence kills trust faster than a missed deadline. Communicate updates. One short call beats worried waiting. One short text beats worried waiting. Be honest about warranties and what you guarantee. If a part has a known issue, tell them. Transparency sells more than upsells. Cleanliness matters. A tidy bay and a wiped-down car signal pride and care. Do a joint test drive and demo the fix when possible. Walk through what you did, then leave a written checklist. Finally, follow up after a few days. Check the repair held and how they're doing. Trust first, wrench second, be human, be clear, be reliable. That's how mechanics turn one-time customers into lifelong ones.